Let's see what is in this computer. Just find out. I don't need any tools to open the case, so all I have to do is unlock it, flip it, and take it off. This is the power supply. This is the green board is the motherboard, and this one is the CPU, fan, heatsink, and CPU. At the below there is CPU. That is very important one. So that's why you have the heatsink and fan, CPU fan. So these two are memory card, and this is SSD drive, and this one is the DVD drive. Power supply, and two power cable from the power supply go to motherboard. One go to here and another one go to here on the motherboard, and the another two more power supply cable. One power supply cable go to the hard drive, so SSD drive, and another power cable go to here, go to the DVD drive, and you will also see two SATA cable. So you will see one blue SATA cable and one orange SATA cable. So the blue SATA cable go to the hard drive, and the orange SATA cable go to the DVD drive. And you will see this cable at the bottom. It says audio app. So this one go to the front audio cable, audio port, and you will also see this one. So this at the bottom is said USB F. So this one also go to the front panel. So it will connect to the front USB, two USBs. These are for expansions in slot, and this is CMOS battery. So to unplug the CMOS battery, just push the lock and it's come out like that. This is a solid state drive for the head. So for the desktop, this is a hard disk drive, 3.5-inch hard disk drive for the desktop, 3.5, and this is hard disk drive for the laptop. So this is 2.5 hard disk drive. So let's close this one back. So this is the power cable. This is the VGA cable. This is the USB adapter for the wireless keyboard and mouse. This is the wireless adapter for the internet. Power cable. VGA cable. Okay, this is working. Thank you for watching.